Can you say hello? Hello? Hello?
Say hello, Mary Jo. You remember Mary Jo? Remember Calgary?
Come. 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 Cheerios, come. Come. Do twirly. Kisses. Twirlies. Wee. Twirlies. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, good.
That's a pretty lousy
So we want to see
twirly.
a better one.
Come on, do again. Twirlies. Come on, twirlies. Twirlies. Come on. Pretty bird. Pretty birdie. Pretty bird. Twirlies. Go around. Twirlies. 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 Come on. Do a twirly. Come on. Whee! Do a twirly. Come on, do something. You make a liar out of me now. Come on, do something. Come on,
Do
twirlies.
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 Let's do twirlies.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay! Twirlies. Twirlies. Come on, twirlies.
Twirlies.
Twirlies. Yeah! Oh,
that's
good
good.
boy. Whee! That's a good
Do another one.
Yeah.
Do twirlies. Do
Twirlies. Come on.
Do twirlies.
Twirlies. Got pretty birds. Pretty birds. Come on. Do a twirly. Come on. Do a twirly. A twirly. Good boy. Good boy. Do it. Not quite. Yeah.
Oh. Good twirly.
Yeah. You're a good
Good
boy.
boy.
Yeah.
He's a good boy. Twirlies? Okay. You gonna do more twirlies?
One. Dirty birds. Dirty birds needs to have baths. You dirty bird. You stink. You stink. Yes, you stink. You stink like a doggy. You stink like doggies. You stink like... Oh. Yes, have a bath. Come on, girl, have a bath. Good one. Good girl. You need a bath. You stink like doggies. You stink like... Oh, you stink. Yes. Nice in the water, eh? Nice in there. Pretty bird. Are you a pretty bird? Are you pretty? Are you a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? Gonna ham it up for the camera. Come on. Yes. Yes. Stick your whole body in there. Get it in there. What about the feathers in the back? What about the back feathers? Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you need a bath. You need a bath because you stink. You stink like weeks of sitting in the cage. Had enough? Doesn't do it for very long. Get the back feathers. Get the ones from behind. These ones. Bum ones. Get the bum ones. Bum ones. Get those ones. There, you got them. They're good. Yeah. You got those ones. Do a donkey. Do a donut. Nice, eh? Nice. Nice. Feels good. Yes. It's been a hot day, hasn't it? Hasn't it been a hot day? It has. And that's how they do it. And how do you dry them off? With lighter fluid and your standard big lighter.
You're all
Dry
wet,
off.
Cheerios. You're all wet. Yeah.
Go inside, the door's open. Just sit there and dry off. Enjoy the sun. We'll call this piece. Will that caged bird fly for freedom or stay with the plant? I'll go up, open the door, see if she comes out. You want to come out? You want to come out, big bird? You're out now. You're in the freedom. You want to come out? Come. Come on out.
Oh yeah. Climb up.
You're free. You're free. No. Bonehead, what are you doing now?
Gotta check out my cage.
Oh, okay. What is that? Yeah, you're outside. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Kara? Cheerios. I think I'll play under the blanket. No?
Oh, what would you do in freedom if you had your freedom?
Wanna go up top? Come up here. Come on, up here. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, we don't even need this. You don't even need that anymore. It's not hot. It's not hot anymore. There. There you go. There you go. There you go. Don't bite me. No biting. Aye, no biting. Don't bite me. Alright, there you go.
Defending his territory.
There you go. Now what are you gonna do? Yes, you're free. Free.
Free to fly away.
Free as a bird. You wanna fly?
Lift those wings.
Go on. You can fly. Go on. Come on. Come on. Come.
Show everybody how you can fly.
Show everybody how you can fly. Come on, step up. Go on. There you go.
Oh man,
There you go.
couldn't catch it.
There
Where
you
is he?
go. Back over here now.
Oh, he flew right back.
Yeah.
Didn't you catch that?
You didn't get that?
I got that.
What kind? Yeah. Hey, want me to do it again?
Let's see if he takes off.
No, he won't go by himself.
Woody,
Oh,
watch this.
he might attack your camera.
Cheerios.
Scratch my head. I'm gonna scratch my head.
Fly away, you
Hey,
stupid.
what's the? Hey, fix your hair. Fix your hair. Hey, look, your do is all messed up. Your do's messed up, Cheerios. You're on camera. Your do is all messed up. Fix your do. Fix your do, sweetheart.